at the cheaper end of the market.
Yeah, I can see that.
To give people like you the opportunity.
I'll only get the product that nature gives us, not the one I can choose at the clinic.
Can you afford the clinic?
Of course not.
Well, then I'm your answer.
Well, I want to know what I'm getting.
Look at this. What do you think?
There's a resemblance.
Yours, based on forecasts. You can expect something close to that. Aren't you pleased?
How many have you provided?
You can rely on my room.
Really?
Absolutely.
His or her education will be limited. The role they are able to take up in society will be strictly delineated.
I'll give you what nature intended. You know, that's very popular in some quarters.
Well, I don't want what nature intended. I want it to have advantages.
My stock is good, delivering with above average IQs. I couldn't do this job without the proper screening. The government wouldn't allow it. Not only that, if the genome sequencing flags up something below spec, you can terminate with a full refund. All this doubt is because you say you can't afford the service.
Okay, 400,000 for a girl, 300,000 for a boy.
500,000 is the price. Person providers like myself can charge up to 750,000.
450 for a girl, 4 if it's a boy.
This haggling is demeaning.
Nature babies earn less during their lifetimes.
You'll have to have sex with me. Is that the problem?
I'll provide the sperm you can get married based on.
Don't you want to do it the old-fashioned way?
If my partner hadn't passed away, I wouldn't want to do this.
Do I remind you of that? I don't mind at all. Let's do this. So we're agreed then. We go ahead, you'll pay for the service.
What does it mean to you?
You'll pay for my studies and help my career. You won't have to see me after the delivery.
All right. When do we start?
Well, I have Fridays free. We can keep trying until it happens. I'm sure it won't take long. I'm in the right place for it to happen.
Very well then. I'll see you at the apartment next Friday.
We have 11 a.m.